Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Windows 11. First, let's ensure your system meets the requirements. Valorant is fully compatible with Windows 11, but it needs a 64-bit operating system. You'll need at least an Intel Core 2 Duo E8400 processor and 4 GB of RAM. Crucially, Riot Vanguard, the anti-cheat system, requires Trusted Platform Module 2.0 and Secure Boot to be enabled in your computer's BIOS settings for the game to launch properly. Now, let's get Valorant installed. Begin by visiting the official Valorant website and downloading the Riot Client installer. You'll need to create a new Riot Games account or log into an existing one. Run the downloaded file to install the Riot Client, which then allows you to download and install Valorant itself, along with the essential Riot Vanguard anti-cheat software. After the installation is complete, a crucial step is to restart your computer to ensure Vanguard initializes correctly. To get the best performance, optimize your Windows 11 settings. First, enable Windows Game Mode, which helps prioritize Valorant and reduce background activity. Next, find the Valorant executable, right-click, go to Properties, and disable full-screen optimizations under the Compatibility tab. For a general system boost, adjust your advanced system settings to best performance to turn off unnecessary visual effects. Finally, enabling hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in your display settings can also improve frame rates. If you encounter any issues, here are some common fixes. Always ensure your graphics drivers and Windows 11 are fully updated to their latest versions. Running Valorant as an administrator can often resolve permission-related launch problems. If you're facing network issues, check the official Valorant server status page, as problems might be on their end. If all else fails and you suspect corrupted files, a complete reinstallation of the game can often resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.